I purchased this new LED light on Amazon. This is the Raubay CLP100W, which is a 100 watt dimmable LED studio light. The unit comes with a 7-inch reflector dish. And this dish has the standard Bones mount. This is the main lighting unit, and it does have a protective cover for the lamp portion. The power cord to go to the power adapter. And then this is the power adapter power supply for the light. And also the unit comes with a remote control and instruction manual. The remote control is able to bring the lighting plus or minus 10% in individual steps, or you can press the up arrow or down arrow to quickly adjust the lighting level up and down by 1 percentage point. The power supply itself is heavy duty. It's well rated for the power of the light and should be able to operate continuously without overheating. And again, the power supply, very large power supply to provide for the 100 watt lamp power. And the lamp has a protective cover. Again, this is a Bowens mount, so it will work with all Bowens style accessories with the bayonet mount. The power supply plugs into the back of the unit. And there is a 3-way switch so that the light can operate either off of the AC adapter, as I'm connecting here, or it can work on internal batteries which you supply. And now to turn the unit on, you can see that the unit is extremely bright. And I'm now adjusting the power dial on the back through various steps. And you can tell with the auto exposure on my video camera that as the light is getting dimmer, the background looks brighter, but as the light is turned up brighter, the surrounding background will get dimmer in comparison. So here I'm dialing up through the various levels of intensity. Extremely bright light, extremely lightweight, very nice. And now adding on the 7-inch reflector dish. One of the things I really love about this light is that it actually has a handhold in the base, so that you can either connect it to a light stand, or you can have the light held by someone else, or you can hold the light yourself. And then in the bottom of the handle is the hole for attaching it to standard light stands. The 3-way switch and the power supply control, the power level control. And the front end of the unit, the LED has an extremely large heatsink on it to keep it operational at continuous duty. Now I'm demonstrating how this light performs using 3 different light modifiers. So this is using the included 7-inch reflector, and I'm dialing the light through various intensities, as you can see here with the model. So once again, with the auto exposure of my video camera, the higher this setting for the light, the more bright the light is, the darker the rest of the background will become. And now I'm going to use a standard softbox. So this is starting off with full intensity of the lighting unit. And then I'll be working through a variety of steps to bring the power levels down. Again, with the auto exposure in my camera, the brighter that the light is, the darker the surrounding background, and as the light intensity is coming back down, the contrast range and the brightness of the background will increase in comparison. And this is at 10%. Finally, I'm using a beauty dish that has a 15% grid on it. So it's a very tight beam coming out of the LED light. So I'm starting at a low setting and slowly adjusting it upward. Again, with the auto exposure in the video camera, that the brighter that the LED light is, the darker the surrounding background will become. And again, showing off the beauty dish as it is attached to the light, and showing the tight beam pattern, 15-degree beam pattern on the light. And then within the light itself, it can run on either AC power or through battery packs. For the battery packs, you do need to have batteries installed on both sides, both the left and right side of the unit, for it to work off of battery power. So here indicating that there are batteries on both sides of the unit.